Here's the side profile. You can see how these minions have been modified. There's the ramping right there on each of the center blocks. And then from the top, you can see right here the modification on the edge blocks. So right here, I have a ramp on the bigger blocks that I've cut. And then here I've done the same ramping. This is to reduce the rolling resistance, while the back side is kept completely square for maximum braking traction. And then on every other side lug, the ones that have the L shape, this is actually from Bernard Kerr. I've had a little inspiration, but chopping off that smaller square and then allowing this edge to rail more together without this interfering in the way. And here are the two main tools I use. This is the Schwalbe or Unior tire cutter. This is made specifically to cut tires and has a little indentation here that you can adjust to the exact millimeters you want to cut that knob off. And then for some of that slicing, you just use a standard utility knife, but then have only a bit sticking out.